Today I am going to show you how you can set up your own brand kit if you are using Canva Pro. Hey, I am PixelPia and I use Canva Pro, and if you are curious of testing it, I have a link in the description that is an affiliate link and will give you 30 days free trial of Canva Pro. Let's move over to the computer and take a look at how you can set up your Canva Pro Brand Kit. So here we are at my Canva and I am logged in with my Pro account. On the left here you can see Brand Kit, and that's what we're going to look at. First we have brand logos, and as you can see these are some older ones. I have created a new one that we're going to upload. So we just click on the little plus sign and I have it right here. So I click and it is uploaded. I will shortly show you how you can use it in the creation. The next section is our brand colors. Here you see colors that I call YouTube, and they are extracted from this, which is my channel banner. But you can also see I have created one with the color of the year, which is this yellow and the gray. And I had one called Wild Orchid. That comes from Discover here. That's one that is offered by Canva. But you can also add a custom palette. And I will show you how you can find yours if you're not sure. Let's go over here. This is color.adobe.com and I have set up my account there already. You can do this without an account, but if you want to save your palette, you need to set up an account, and that is free. Here we have several ways we can do it. We can go by the color wheel and just put our colors in here. We can choose the harmony rule, a monochromatic, a triad. We have complementary. We have what they call split complementary. We have double split complementary. We can choose colors in a square, compound, shades, or we can make a custom. We can also extract a theme. You select a file. Let's pick this Christmas photo. And as you see, I uploaded, and here it picks out 5 colors from this photo. If I want to save this palette, I hit save and I go to libraries. Here I have my library. Here it is. Let's open it. And now when I want to use this to set up a color palette in my Canva, it's very easy. Add and discover, add a custom palette. I will call this Christmas and I hit the little plus sign, and then I go here and just hit copy. I mark this where the hex number is, and then I do this for every color in my palette here. Remember to put click the little plus sign for each color you want to add, and there it is, my Christmas palette. If I want to rearrange the order of this, I just click on the 3 little dots and I have Reorder Palettes, and I can move this up. The right side of my brand kit is brand fonts. I have set it up to be the Titanium web for all 3. My headings is set to 60 pixels. What I have to do is just click the little pen. I can choose my font and I set the size as well. And for subheading I set 36, and for body weight I set 18. I will soon show you how that works too. And the last part is uploaded fonts. Here I can add fonts that I have found on the internet. When you do this, be very careful with the terms of the fonts. So let's see how we do it. Here we have fonts. I have already uploaded this, but I will show you. I downloaded the Woodland scripts. Here I have the license. And this, as you can see, is a commercial use license. So I know when I upload this font that I can use it to create something I want to sell. I click upload font. I found my font on my computer where I have downloaded and extracted it. And I just mark it and say open. Please confirm the following. By uploading my own custom font, I acknowledge that I own the Woodland Regular OTF or have the right to use it for my intended purpose. So if you want to create something you want to resell, make sure that you have a copy of the license that let you know that you can use it that way. Yes, upload away. And it will show up here in my uploaded fonts, and here it is. Now let's take a quick look at how you can use them. Let's open my design here. Let's take that photo off and let's start by adding text. I'm just gonna add one of each here, and here you can see I have the same font but in the 3 different sizes that I have set. This is my fonts I have chosen as brand fonts in the brand kit. If I'm putting something in here, let's just put a circle. When I put any of these shapes, the first color it will be is the first color on my palette, my main palette, my top palette. Here I have my YouTube palette, so I can use any of these colors. I have the other palettes show up underneath, and then I have default colors. If I want something totally different, I can use the color wheel up here. If I want to add my logo, I have to scroll down to where it says folders here on the left side. I click that. One of them says logos. So I click that, and here we have the logo I just uploaded. All my logos will show up here, which makes it really easy to always have access to your logos. Let's leave the computer for this time. I hope this inspired you to try Canva Pro for yourself. I save a lot of time by using this brand kit, and you will too. In my next video in this series, I will take a look at how you can use the background remover and the one-click resizer that comes with Canva Pro. So if you want to make sure you don't miss that, hit that little subscribe button and the bell underneath this video. And remember, never stop learning.